Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk spark plugs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. You should now be able to see the location of the spark plugs. Take off the engine cover. You can use a screwdriver to help you. Using a pry bar, unclip the clips holding the coil power harness. Still using the pry bar, gently pry the coil to release it. Then extract the coil by pulling it upwards by hand. Clear it so that it doesn't interfere with removing the spark plug. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 16mm spark plug socket, release the spark plug. Finish off by hand. Tip: if the spark plug wrench doesn't have a click system to hold the spark plug and pull it out, you can use the coil. Insert it onto the plug and using the coil for the final turns, release the plug. You should then be able to take it out easily.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new spark plug. Replace the new spark plug by inserting it directly into the spark plug socket, which will allow you to bring it delicately to the screwing support. There are several techniques for tightening spark plugs. You can use a torque wrench and employ the torque setting recommended by the manufacturer. Or you can use an angular torque gauge to respect the recommended angle. We strongly recommend watching our tutorial, How to Tighten Spark Plugs, before carrying out this step. Put the coil back, pushing it in as far as possible. You should hear a small click as it's gone in. You can now repeat the same process on the other spark plugs. Once finished, put the wire bundle back in place, holding it in place by lowering the hooks. Put the engine cover back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.